Introducing the Hoover ClinJet Volume for when accidents happen. Compact, lightweight, easy to carry. Yet with the performance you would expect from a full-size carpet cleaner. Cleaning the most stubborn of marks. Leaving your carpets spotlessly clean and fresh-smelling too. The large 4.5-litre capacity tank delivers long-lasting cleaning performance. The foldable handle makes it both easy to carry and store. The Hoover ClinJet Volume, delivering deep cleaning, yet light, compact and easy to store.